Hey guys, many of you were asking me how to adjust the headlights after the LED installation. So today I'm going to show you how. First of all, you have to park your car on a flat, level surface. Then you have to check the tire pressure for each tire to make sure that they're all the same. Then if you have any weight in your car, remove it. If you're gonna be the main driver of this vehicle, you're also gonna need a person who's gonna sit in the driver's seat and that has the same weight as you, so that you can do the adjustments for this car. You can use your friend, or you can get your wife to help you with this. Forget it. What I'm gonna do in this case, I'm going to use some weights. So I'm going to use as many weights to compensate for my weight. So if I'm 90 kilograms, I'm going to use 90 kilograms of weight. I'm just going to put them on the driver's seat, on the chair, on the leg side, and then I can do the adjustment. You're also going to need the wall where you're going to project your headlights. Could be a concrete wall, a garage door. In my case, it's just a piece of carpet on some chairs. You'll have to determine the center of the car and the center of the headlights. First, let's find the center of the car. So I look for, I'm going to use a laser like this. So if I'm going to place the laser here and here and here, I can pretty much, if I center this with this, I'm going to find out what's the center up top here. So this is my center up top. Now, if I want to extend that further on the hood, I'm going to measure a couple of inches from the corner up. From the corner, I'm just going to go 7 inches from the corner up. That's my mark, one side. I'm going to go on the other side and I'm going to do the same thing from the corner, 7 inches. It's going to be here somewhere. 7 inches. So 43 inches. It's going to give me 21 and a half in the middle. Okay, that's my center. I'm going to try again. 21 and a half. Now, I'm going to project this onto my wall. I'm going to use my laser. Now actually, before I project my center to the wall, I have to find out what's the center of the headlights, each headlight. So it's not about the low beam bulbs or the high beam bulbs, it's about the headlight itself, the lamp. So I'm going to measure the lamp. Try to do a rough measurements. 26. That means somewhere in the middle is my 13. So that's my one way. Then I measure from the center here, like 7, 3.5. Here. So this is the center of my lamp. Now I'm going to measure from this point 3 meters to my wall, horizontal measurements to my wall, which is 3 meters, it's 9.8 feet. So from here you take a horizontal measurement of 9.8 feet. That's where your wall is going to stop. I got my wall set up now, which is 3 meters away, roughly 119 inches away from the headlight, the center of the headlight. Now I'm going to use my laser to project the center of the car to the wall. So I'm going to use these 2 points. These 2 points have to line up and project on the wall. So do it again. Now I'm going to lift the hood, and this is my center. I know this would be perfect if it would be a flat wall, but I'm just going to give you an example here. Now I'm just going to measure the height from the ground. Every car is different. Mine has been lowered, so to the center of the headlight, 27.5. And I have to have the same height or lower, so I have to have the same height or lower on the wall. So 27.5 minus 3/4. Okay, so we're gonna be below this. Okay, so I got my heights here. Now I have to measure from the center of the car to the center of the headlights, and the same on the wall. The good thing about this laser, that's going to give you 90 degrees angle. So I'm going to line up the laser with the measuring tape, and that's going to give me the 90 degrees angle with the headlight. Now I'm going to have 27.5 from my vertical line. It's going to measure 27.5 way. That's my center, which is here. Okay, now we'll see what happens when I'm going to turn off the light, and I'm going to turn on my headlights, car headlights. There you go. So one, it's a bit higher, one it's a bit lower, and I'm going to show you how to adjust this. You can make it higher than that, but I made it higher before and I couldn't see much. I prefer the way it is now, but I'm just going to line this up together. Okay, they won't stay on for too long, so. Now for the adjustment, This is the driver's side. Okay, so you see the battery, you see the air filter, see this fuse box, and now right here you're gonna see no, it's too bright. I wonder can make it clear enough. Okay, this is your adjustment. You have to use a super skinny screwdriver to get in there, in that hole, and when you adjust there is a wheel. I wonder if I can zoom in, I can show you what's happening there. That's gonna move upward, but you have to press really hard and you have to catch the wheel. See that the wheel is moving now? Yeah. Let's have a look. So this is a closer view of the wheel. That's the wheel. The wheel is moving, right? If I turn backwards, it's moving. Okay? Now, I don't know why the right side's a bit messy. I get a bit of glare up here, which I don't get here. I guess there is something wrong with the bulb, but the main focus is still in this area here. Anyway, I'm a bit off center with my car because the center for the right side is right here and the center for the left side is right here. Now for the passenger side, you either use a super long but skinny screwdriver to get in the back of this tank, or you just remove these two screws and get the tank out of the way, and then you can access the adjustment right there in the back. There you go. So I removed the tank so I can have access in the back, and pretty much that's it. So guys, that's it for the headlights adjustment after the LED installation. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Thanks.